Hello, welcome to all of you are into this channel. This is an educational channel for GIS interested people. I am Keith Ratna. I am ready to share my GIS knowledge with you. In this video, I will explain how to operate our table using our table options included in ArcGIS. Let's move into our topics. I want to explain how to select features using data views and table options, and I need to explain how to select features and add to current selections and remove from current selections, etc. Also, I need to explain how to add and delete fields for our table using table options and toolbox. Also, I will explain how to calculate geometry. In here, we can calculate XY locations and length. Also, we can calculate area using geometry calculations. There is a field calculator. We can use this field calculator for various kind of work. I will explain that. Also, there is freeze and unfreeze column and turn field off and turn field on and sort ascending and descending methods. Finally, I will explain how to get the statistics from our table. This is our table option panel. In here, you can open table option panel. There is an icon in the heading. This is the select by attribute icon. Then this is the switch to selection. This is the clear selection features, and this is the zoom to selected features icons. This one is delete features. This one will activate only when we in the editing mode. I will not explain today lesson this button. Then this is the command for the select by attribute. This one is the icon. There is a switch selections command. This one is icon. Same icon is in here. There is a select all row, all table commands and add field command here. Also, we can turn all fields on using this command. The bottom of this panel, we can see these digits. 0 out of 733 selected means there is no any rows selected up to now. When we selected some item, it will indicate here as a fraction. This is the field option panel. There is a sort ascending, sort descending method, and also we can get statistics from these field options. Field calculator, calculate geometry also include in field options. Turn field off. We can use this button for the field off, and after we can get using this table options panel. Turn field on button. Also, there is a freeze and unfreeze column. This is the delete field icon. So we can add field here and delete field using this field options. Also, we can use ARC toolbox for add field and delete field, where this is the where add field and delete field commands located. This one is our select by attribute panels. We can select using few methods here. We can create a new selections and add to current selections also here there. We can remove from current selection some items. Also we can select from column selection. It is like a filtering method. For that we need to define little query here. So using those functions we need to make a little query. This is the calculate geometry plane. We need to have coordinate system for our shapefile when we calculate geometry. If it is not, we cannot calculate our geometry. This is the field calculator panel, same as attribute, select by attribute. We need to define little query here using those functions. I will explain when we doing software demonstration. Let's move into our software. This is my working software. I will directly go into catalog view and I will navigate my working folder using our catalog. This is the today folder. I will add this GN divisions layer to my workspace using drag and drop method. I will drag this into here and drop. My shape files appear like this. I think you know already now how to select these using these select features. Taking this icon and we can simply click here and or second here you can select everything you need. I will clear using this clear select features button and I go to the on top of this name and right click on this layer name and select open attribute table using this command like this. Now your table can be seen as like this. It is mentioned 0 out of 48 selected here. When we select some icon here, it will appear like this. When we again select, it will appear like this, and 1 out of 48 selected, it will mention here. I want to see both table and our data view. For that, I will drag this into this document and drop into here. Now my table and table of content, table and my data views we can see where I need to issue a small space. I will drag this, yes, because I need to clear vision my table. Like this we can arrange our workspace. In the table mode, you can simply click on here, you can select items like this. When we click on this small area, you can simply select and it will mention here how many rows are selected. Using when we want to, we can drag and drop like this area, we can select this area. If you want to select some specific features, you can simply click Control button on keyboard and click on After that rows we can select like this. We need to click this one, bold clear vision. So likewise, pressing control, we can select our necessary features like this. Also, pressing shift key using this select item, you can add to that current selections any other features also like this. Same as if you want to remove some features unnecessary selected from, you can simply click on select features while pressing shift key like this. You can remove that from the current selection. Likewise, while pressing shift key and click on the features using this icon. Likewise, we can add and remove those columns. Then I need to explain how to select by using select by attribute command. In here you can see icon. Also there is, it is inside this table option. This is the table option. You can see here. This one is table option. Okay. This is the select by attribute command. This one is select by attribute icon. It is so then I will again go to this table options and click on select by attribute table. Right. There is a method to create selections and add to current selections, remove from current selections, select from current selections. Likewise, you can, I need to select this GN using the select by attribute panel. For that, I first double what is the column GNDN. Inside GNDN, double click on this and it will appear in equal. What is the name? Sorry, one equal, and you need to get unique value. Sorry, GND name. So this DSD name. Sorry, I can clear using this clear button and GND names. GND name equal get unique value. What is the name? G. You can simply drag from this one, double click and apply. Simply that's cross select. If I need to add another selections, I will go to the here and select add current selections, and I need to add this one, same as I will remove this one from highlighting and go to this one, right, again apply. The second also add to that one. Also I will try remove from current selections method using this remove from current selection. I will come to this area and I will delete this, and again I want to first one put up this one, remove, double click and apply. It will unselected. Also there is another command before I need to create some other selections, create new selections. right. Apply, add to current selections for this one, right. There are two divisions are selected. From that I need to get one. So then I will go to select from current selections, select, and I will apply this one because I want to get. Likewise, we can select from current selections also using this attribute, select by attribute table. Likewise, we can do selections using this select by attribute table, select by attribute panel. I'll pause and I need to explain how to switch selection. I'm only one select here. Now when we click on top of this switch selection, it will appear like this. You can see 47 out of 7, 48, because it will only accept my earlier selection row. This is my earlier. It will select other area, switch. It is changed to other area. That is the switch selection. When we again click, it will appear only my first selection. Likewise, we can do selections using. Also, there is a command here, table options, select all features. You can simply select all features, 48 out of 48 selected. Likewise, you can use these table options and select all. Then I need to explain add field. Here we can simply add field using this one. I need to get area for the GND. Then I will add field here. Again I pause and I go to table options, add field. I have to define field name. For that I will type here. I will get area by hectare. So then area underscore HI type. I need to define what is the type of field. Using this type, I need to store both float or double. We can use for the, because I need to get decimal places also. So then we can use this float or double. I will select float, and this is the precision. I will add how much the width of the field. I will give 10, and I scale mean the decimal places. I will give 2 for the scales and click OK. I define a name and the field type and field properties for the precision and scale 10 and 2. Then I OK. It will comes to end of our table. This is my new column. Then likewise we can add field. If you want to calculate area, we can go to this, on top of this layer, this field, and right click on this field name and select calculate geometry. Using calculate geometry, we can calculate this is area. The area, this is our coordinate system, and I need to have this as a hectare unit. This is where we want to define units. I select hectare as my unit and click OK. It will simply calculate. I need to give years. Simply give all area for this. table. If you want to get ascending order these calculations, you can simply right click on this field heading and select sort ascending. It is the smallest come to first and largest one goes to last row. Likewise, we can simply ascending with other attributes using this table option sort ascending command. If you want to do it as descending, simply select sort descending. Likewise, like this, right ascending or say. If you need to get statistics, you can simply go this statistics. It will show some statistics. How there is a count also. This is the count 48. Then maximum, minimum, sum. Also, this is the sum, mean, standard deviations, null value also displaying. There is no null value field, so then it is mentioned as 0. Likewise, we can get some calculations. I will close this and I will select some area here and I will get this area calculation also using this statistics. This is only 15 counts out of 15. For those 15 counters, we can get mean, maximum, sums, or other things, other statistics using this statistics field calculator. Then if you need to turn off this one of field, we can right click on top of and turn off field. Now my area field is not displaying. If you need to get close this also, you can go on top of this name and select turn field off. Likewise, now two fields are disappear. If I need to go get again, go to table option and turn all field on. Also, there is a freeze column and unfreeze columns. I will give it to GNDN for the GND names. Then I go to again right click on the field options and click freeze column. Now it is freeze like this. You can see others are more, but my GND name, right. If you need to reset, you can click unfreeze column. It is now not freezing. It is moving to side by side. Likewise, we can do table operations. If you need to delete this field, we can simply go on top of this name and click delete, select delete field. It will give this message if you that is the confirm delete field, because this field will disappear permanently. So then I click on just my area field has already deleted. Also, I want to explain how to add field using this ARC tool box. Inside the data management tool, there's a field. Inside this, there's a add field. Double clicking on this, it will appear like this. So then I need to add GN divisions table. My field name same as before, area. I will give km square kilometers. I will give long double, this time double, and precisions 10 and scale 3. I'll give, and others I will skip and I click OK. My new field will added. So this will take little bit time. My field has added that in here. If you delete, you can use, if you want to delete, you can use this delete field column. I will explain it later. For then I will again calculate as this using this geometry calculator. Click. I need to get square kilometers, ppm here and click OK. First times I have created hectares, now it is come as square kilometers. Then I will go to again catalog view and I will add point layer. This one is my point layer. I will open this, right clicking on, and I will attribute table. It is only GF code, name, place ID, shape and FP. So I need to get XY coordinate for this value. For that, before I want to add two columns for the X and Y. Go to table options and this is the X. I will type only as X. Coordinate. This also I double and I will give 10 precisions. I will type 5. Then again I need to Y. I go to here and add field Y underscore coordinate. This also double 10 and I give 5 scale 5. Then I need to get X coordinate. I right click on top of this field name and select calculate geometry. So yes, I need to get X coordinate point. It is in meter. I will select on meter. Right, meters. This is my X coordinate point. Like same as I calculate Y coordinates, we'll calculate geometry and years. I need to change this into X coordinate point, Y coordinate point. Then it will take meter. Right click yes. This is my Y coordinate point. Likewise, we can calculate geometry using this. Again, I will add another field, streams layer. This one is my stream layer. I will open my streams attribute table. Open attribute table. This is statement. The names will disappear any name. I will go to this select by attribute command and I will select name, create a new selections. No, in here name equal using the get unit value. This is the I will select add here to this place. This is the query builder. So then I apply. There's 3 out of selected 178 selected. 3 out of 178 13 selected. There should be 3 selected, but still it is not appear. So then I want to see those. I'm go to this show select records, and this is the all show all records. I select this my 3. There here is the selected features. Only now showing this my selected features which I was mentioned in my select by attribute command. This one is right. I keep it in here, and I need to calculate this area. For that I will add again add new field. I will give length in km. So then I will give plot and also 10 and enough 2 decimal places and click OK. My length column I will go to on top of this name and right click and select geometry, calculate geometry. Then click again yes, and length I only change this kilometer. Then I click OK. My selected stream length has come to this area, but this is the 3 part of area. You can simply select and see well, there are 3 parts for my here. So then I need to get statistics. Right click on the top of this and get statistics. There's a sum. This one, this is the my length of this area. Likewise, I can get simply my statistic using this statistic field, right? I will add my land use map on top of this layer. I will uncheck other layers for the clear vision. This is the land use table. I need to clear other selections. So then I'll right click on top of this name and open attribute table. This one is my land use attribute table. It is only has land use symbol name, but there are 733 rows in. I need to define what the represented by this symbol. For that I again add for the column land use type. This is actually text field. I select text field and length. I will give this amount of length. Now again I want to select by attribute and this is before that I sort this into ascending order. This is the first 3 row. I manually select this first CX row using drag and drop method. Those area selected. I want to give description for CX for the China. So that I will right click on and select field calculator in this time. Clicking on this land use equal, I will type inside inverted comma China and click OK. Land use equal China. Then click OK. It will come to here. Likewise, I can simply click on because this row is still ascending. So then I simply click on first CO row. This is for the coconut. I will go last end of the CO, and while holding shift key I click on this, it will 35 rows have been selected. Then I need to add for the description as a coconut. Right click on this field heading and select field calculator. I will still there is a China. I will change into the China for the coconut. Then okay, there is coconuts. Add to this row. We can do selections using select by attribute. I go to select by attribute panel and then use symbol equal. I get unique values. That is, I have already selected CS, CO, FR. FR for forest reservation. I will apply. Then another 21 rows have been selected. If we click on show selected features, it will appear only our selected features, and then right click on top of this name and select field calculator and yes. Then land use equal, I have right within inverted comma, what is the forest. Then click OK, it will come to here. Then again I want to select next one. I will clear using this button and symbol equal, get unique value. What is the GR grassland, and click right click field calculator. Okay, forest, this is not grassland and click OK. It will come to this page. Again I instead of GR I clear that and home garden. For that I apply. It will appear here and I will give field calculator home garden. Then I delete this one, other. Then or I will type here for the other. Then again I delete this one. Instead of OT I will select PA for paddy. I will type here inside field calculator paddy. It's also I will delete this PA. Instead of PA RU for rubber. Then I will add rubber to field calculator. Yes. Instead of paddy I will type rubber. Then likewise it will also come to. There are other three I will do for you. SE for scrap. Apply scrap come to. I will go to on top of this and select field calculator. Instead of rubber I will type scrap. Scrap. I will delete this SC and I will add TE. TF for T. I will type field calculator, right? And this is the last one, WA for water. Only one feature has field calculator. Water body or something. Water, I will type on water, right? I close this one and I show all rows. Now my land use field has been added to all the things. Likewise, you can see all things has come to this row. I want to get calculations, we can simply add columns for the area, and this is also auto double because I need to get precision value. Then it's enough for to it for the decimal places. We'll come to here and simply go on top of this area heading and click square meters. Not I know to get hectares. Likewise, you can do calculations also. I need to explain how to use this delete field inside ARC toolbox. I have added to my point file for the two columns. I will X core and Y core. I will do these two columns same time using this delete field column. I will go and what is my table is this name should be here. That is, I will simply check in front of this name inside this checkbox. When we check this, it will mentions these two fields should be deleted and click OK. It will appear the same times the two fields very easily we can delete using this. I think I have come to the end of my lesson and I hope you will learn something from these lessons also. Uh, it is rains outside sometimes. There is very noisy outside here. It will disturb into your listening, but I hope you will get my work from here, and don't forget to comment about my works to my comment section. I really appreciate those comments. In this video a little bit longer, I need to say bye and thank you for watching me.